Hey there, welcome. Are you curious about solar power, but also a little unsure about what's true and what's just hearsay? Today, we're diving into some of the most common myths about solar panels and setting the record straight. One big myth is that solar panels only work on sunny days. While sunshine is definitely their favorite, solar panels are actually designed to capture and convert light, not just direct sunlight. This means they can still generate electricity on cloudy days, and even during twilight hours. The output might be lower, but they're definitely not taking a complete break when the sun hides. Another common concern is about the cost. Many people believe solar panels are an unaffordable luxury. While there's an upfront investment, the reality is that the cost of solar technology has dropped dramatically over the years. Plus, when you factor in the long-term savings on your electricity bills and the various incentives and tax credits available, solar can become a very smart financial decision. It's an investment that often pays for itself over time. Then there's the idea that solar panels are a hassle to maintain. The truth is, modern solar panels are incredibly durable and require very little maintenance. They're built to withstand various weather conditions. Typically, a simple cleaning every now and then is all they need to keep performing at their best. Many systems even come with monitoring tools, so you can easily keep an eye on their performance. Some folks also worrying about the environmental impact of manufacturing solar panels. It's true that any manufacturing process has an environmental footprint. However, the energy generated by solar panels over their lifespan far outweighs the energy used to produce them. Plus, the industry is continuously working on making production processes more sustainable and recycling old panels effectively. Finally, there's the myth that solar panels will damage your roof. When installed by certified professionals, solar panels are mounted securely and designed to integrate with your roof structure without causing harm. In fact, they can even offer a layer of protection to your existing roof. It's fantastic that you're exploring cleaner energy options. By understanding the facts, you can make informed decisions about whether solar power is the right choice for you. Thanks so much for joining us today. We hope this cleared up some of those solar panel myths for you. If you found this helpful, consider following along for more insights.